Hi Harold, this is Joseph Anthony. We just finished talking here at Tameron, and I told you I would send you a video of this car. I know you've seen it, you've driven it, but I'll just give you this little video so you'll know exactly what it looks like. And you'll have this when you're trying to make your decision with this and other vehicles that you'll be looking at. As you can see, it's pretty well loaded out. And I've talked to the manager about the pricing that you gave me. We're not that far off.